So I've been doing some stuff off camera, you know, the boring stuff like putting in bolts. And I've fitted a new filter in here, but they don't give you a new seal for the bottom here. So I found an O-ring in my work stuff. Put that in for now, see if that works, and I've got a new gasket for it. They give you 2 gaskets. And a heap of different seals for the top to try, but no seal for the bottom. So this is the oil filter. Should be changed regularly. Who am I kidding? Thought I'd put this in first before we put the fuel pump in. That number 3 push rod that bent, I've straightened it for now just to use it, but I've managed to find one on eBay for £7.20, so I'll swap it out when it comes. Hopefully it's the same size. Just in case it bends when the engine's running, I don't want that. It's been one of those days. So that should be good, and I've got the fuel pump here. Which has got Whitworth and nuts on it for some funky reason. I got my Whitworth spanner when I was up at my van. Just have to get a locking washer for it. And a 14mm. One of my favourite sayings is old age doesn't come itself, and some days you really feel it, like today. That reminds me, I need to apply for a bus pass. Not that I'm going on a bus, but you never know. This is a fiddly bit. Catch a thread. Catching every thread but the right one. Got it. My wee fingers aren't the best for this. You'd think vehicle designers set out to put things in awkward places. Sometimes. Very awkward. That's not going to go through there. Just get a wee screwdriver, get in behind it. There we go, I've got it. No, I haven't. Oh me. Should have stayed in bed. Just can't get it to start in this red. It's not actually a bolt, it's a stud with the bolt stuck in the end of it. I might have to try and get the... No, I've got it. Worst case scenario would be to get the bolt off the stud and put the stud back in. Now the bolt's free and the stud's not going in. Don't you just love it? Persuasion. Yeah, it's in enough. There we go, and then not so bothered about external stuff because you just can, anything you can get at to fix, it's not so bad. It's internal stuff that's the big problem if it's not right. Anyway, I put new gaskets in so they should seal, and I cleaned all the surfaces. Nope. There we go. I'll bring a quarter whippers down sometime. And so I think we'll see if I can get the fuel pump on. Find all the timing marks. I think that's one there. I'll have to take off this plate here and take it around to 26 degrees and work from there, I think. See how that goes. I'll bring you back once I've got more organised. Trying to time the fuel pump here. I've got the camera hooked up to my iPhone so I can see. It's weird. Right, it should come on to the timing marks just directly. Got to find 2DC. So it's not the best. Just move the light a bit. Too dark. Hold on a minute ago. And that valve just shut. Exhaust valve just started down, so we back it up a bit. That's the exhaust, so we should have some marks there somewhere. There we go, 0. So it would fire before top dead centre, and according to the book it's on a 1300 serial number it's 26 degrees, but we'll try and work out how we can calculate 26 degrees. Plus there's a delay in me seeing it here. Just looking for a number. Right, there's a number there. Let's see if we can see what it is. That's the thing. I've run out of SD card memory on my GoPro, so I'll do a bit on the iPhone here, see if we can get a shot of it. I don't know if you can see the timing marks there. There's a 25 and the one above it is the 26, which should be lined up with that notch. And then, so that's top dead centre plus 26. And I've lined up the two timing marks, and you can move this back and forth like an advancing retard. I haven't bolted the pump one yet. So according to all the timing marks and where the valves are sitting, we should be spot on. However, you're just never sure. So show you the bit in the book. So this is a 1308 to 1425096. So it'll be 26 degrees, but I'll check that serial number. I think it'll be right enough of that. It shows you how to line everything up. So I'll just go and put the bolts in now, and hopefully that's it all. And I think that's all I'm doing today. So got a few more bits on. Well, it'll be on the SD card, but I've got the fuel pump on, and I've got the fuel filter on, and that's that pump on there, just the 4 bolts to put underneath. Cleaned everything before I put it on. I may fill the block with water before I put any oil near it. But that can wait. Okay, that's all for now.